In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scheduling pages in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the sales icon. Hover over it, and from the options that appear, select Meetings Scheduler. Inside the Meetings Scheduler, click on Create Scheduling Pages. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a scheduling page type: one-on-one, group, or round robin. Pick the type that best fits your use case. In this walkthrough, we'll use a one-on-one page as an example. After you select it, HubSpot will open the scheduling page editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview on the right and all your settings on the left. Start by giving your scheduling page an external name. This is how you and your team will recognize it internally. Next, select which marketing campaign you want to associate this scheduling page with, so your meetings are tracked correctly. Then choose an organizer. This is the person whose calendar will be used for bookings. Add an event title, which is what invitees will see on the booking page and on their calendar event. If you'd like, you can insert personalization tokens to automatically pull in known contact details. Add the meeting location as well. This might be a video conference link, a physical address, or a simple "to be confirmed." You can enable cancel and reschedule options so invitees can manage their own bookings, which helps reduce back and forth emails. Then, write a clear meeting description. This supports rich text and personalization tokens, so you can format the content and tailor it to each contact. When you're done on the screen, click Next. On the next page, you can customize the URL slug for your scheduling link and, if needed, enable payment collection. In the Schedule tab, set your scheduling title, choose one or more duration options, select your time zone, and define your availability. Set which days and times you're open for meetings. To remove an available time range, click the trash icon to the right of that row. To add a new range, click Add Hours at the bottom. You can also enable the option to consider your working hours, so HubSpot aligns bookings with your calendar settings. Open additional settings to adjust details like the image shown, rescheduling rules, and other preferences. Move to the Form tab to configure what information you collect. By default, first name, last name, and email are already added and required. To gather more details, click either Add Contact Property or Add Custom Question. Here, you can also enable CAPTCHA to reduce spam, block free email domains if you need more qualified leads, allow guests to join the meeting, and set up data privacy and consent options. Under Additional Settings, you can choose whether to pre-populate fields with known values and whether to auto-submit the form when everything is already filled in. Next, go to the Confirmation tab. Decide what happens after someone books a meeting. You can show HubSpot's default confirmation page, or you can redirect them to a custom thank you or next step page on your site. Once you've chosen the option that fits your workflow, click Next. Finally, decide if you want to send a confirmation email and a pre-meeting reminder. Enabling both is a good idea to reduce no-shows and keep your invitees informed. When everything looks good, click Create Scheduling Page in the bottom right corner, and that's it. You've successfully created a scheduling page in HubSpot that's ready to share with your prospects and customers.